Welcome to the top best. The best origami shelves is probably one of the most innovative storage solutions I've come across. These shelves are not just about tidying up, they're about transforming your space with a touch of modern design and unparalleled convenience. With their unique folding mechanism and built-in wheels, they offer a blend of functionality and style that's hard to beat. Get ready to witness how these shelves can revolutionize your storage game, making organization a breeze and adding a sleek aesthetic to any room. Number 5. Origami R5 4-Shelf Folding Storage Rack. This innovative shelving unit is designed for all your storage needs. It's made of commercial-grade steel, offering a heavy-duty and multifunctional solution for any space. Forget about tools and complicated instructions. This rack comes fully pre-assembled, ready to use in just 20 seconds. Simply unfold and latch it. It features 4 caster wheels for easy mobility, with 2 that lock for stability. When you need to save space, it folds flat for convenient storage in various locations. With dimensions of 36W x 21D x 60H, it provides plenty of space for home decor or bulky items. The shelves are spaced to accommodate different sized items. The wire shelves allow for airflow, perfect for storing items in your office, kitchen, or garage. It can hold up to 75 pounds per shelf with wheels and 250 pounds without wheels, offering great capacity. What we like? This shelving unit is built to last, thanks to its heavy-duty construction. It assembles in seconds, saving you time and effort. Its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. If you need a robust and convenient storage solution for your garage or warehouse, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The storage racks arrived folded up flat in boxes. Inside the boxes, they were enclosed in plastic bags for protection. After being removed from the boxes and plastic bags, they opened up effortlessly by unlocking a catch lever that keeps them locked together. Once the storage rack is opened, there is a catch lock mechanism located on the back of it that must be engaged to provide stability and complete setup. The storage racks are tall, wide, and deep. Each storage rack shelf is about 35.8 wide x 20.85 deep and each storage rack stands 60 high, when assembled. I like the way these storage racks are designed. The quality is actually much better than I expected. They are very well constructed, nicely finished and very strong. Setup was a snap. No nuts, bolts, parts lists, or instructions were needed because no assembly was required. This 4-shelf model was the first one I bought and is what made me a fan. It arrived in a reasonably tight box and wasn't too difficult to carry over to my 4th-floor apartment. Naturally, it came packaged in its folded state, and is extremely thin for something that expands roughly 3 feet. Screwing the wheels on was time-consuming but not unexpected. When it was all unfolded and secured, it glided around on the floor easily and was just as sturdy as any other rack I've used, surprisingly. It doesn't flex when you use it, the clamps on the back and the top shelf keep everything nice and stable. The coating on the metal is smooth and seals well, with no compromises that I've noticed, so I trust that I won't be dealing with corrosion anytime soon. Number 4. Origami 3-Tier Rolling Kitchen Cart. This cart helps you stay organized in style. It features a built-in towel rack for easy access during quick cleanups. Made with a strong, powder-coated steel frame, this cart is built to last. It's a multifunctional kitchen cart designed for convenience throughout your home. The cart features a beautiful wooden countertop that can support up to 100 pounds. Underneath, you'll find storage shelves, each holding up to 50 pounds. This rolling kitchen island unfolds in under 5 seconds. It comes 100% pre-assembled, so no tools or time-consuming assembly is needed. When unfolded, it measures 25.3 inches long, 19.8 inches wide, and 36.3 inches tall. When folded, it's just 5.8 inches long, 19.8 inches wide, and 36.2 inches tall. What we like? This cart combines style and functionality with its sleek design and built-in towel rack. It's also incredibly easy to fold and move around. If you are looking for a versatile and stylish addition to your kitchen or outdoor cooking space, this cart is ideal. What people say. The folding operation is easy and a great idea if you need to stow it away in a closet. Strong enough to support a heavy 17-inch tall mixer on the top or a smaller mixer on the second shelf. Wheels lock well. The item, because it folds flat, requires no assembly other than screwing the caster wheels into the base of the legs. Also, the casters are large. It's the perfect height. I got the white frame so that up against my kitchen wall when not in use it blends it, and absolutely looks like it was made to go in my kitchen. Number 3. Origami 3-tier rolling storage shelves. This innovative shelving unit is designed for all your storage needs. It's made of commercial-grade powder-coated steel, ensuring it's heavy-duty and durable. Forget about tools and complicated instructions. This unit comes completely pre-assembled. All you need to do is unfold it and secure the clip. It features 4 caster wheels for easy mobility, and 2 of them have a smart lock function. When not in use, it folds flat for convenient storage. With dimensions of 29W x 13B x 35.5H, it offers plenty of space. The distance between shelves is approximately 13.75 and 15.5. The wire shelves allow for good airflow. It can hold up to 75 pounds per shelf with wheels, and 250 pounds per shelf without wheels. Perfect for your office, kitchen, garage, or laundry room. What we like? This shelving unit is designed for quick setup and convenient use. It features a rolling and folding design, making it easy to move and store. It offers ample space for your items. If you need a compact yet spacious storage solution for your home or office, consider this one. What people say. First, no assembly is required. It rolls easily from room to room and is useful as a storage unit just as the video shows. The shelves are thickly powder-coated, so I'm sure they would be fine anywhere you place them. Plus, if I move, they fold up in seconds. Number 2. Origami 3-tier rolling storage shelves, Pewter. This innovative shelving unit is designed for all your storage needs. It's made of commercial-grade powder-coated steel, ensuring durability and reliability for years to come. Forget about tools and complicated instructions. This shelf comes completely pre-assembled. All you need to do is unfold it and secure the clip. It features 4 caster wheels for easy mobility. 2 of the wheels have a smart lock function. When not in use, it folds flat for convenient storage. With dimensions of 29 inches wide, 13 inches deep, and 35.5 inches high, it offers plenty of space. The distance between shelves is approximately 13.75 and 15.5 inches. The wire shelves allow for airflow, perfect for any room. With wheels, it can hold up to 75 pounds per shelf. Without wheels, it can hold up to 250 pounds per shelf. What we like? This shelving unit is designed for quick setup and convenient use. It features a rolling and folding design, making it easy to move and store. It offers ample space for your items. If you need a compact yet spacious storage solution for your home or office, consider this one. What people say. First, no assembly is required. Finally, it rolls easily from room to room and is useful as a storage unit just as the video shows. The unit is extremely strong and stable. My mind is racing thinking about where else I could use these shelves for more storage. The shelves are thickly powder-coated, so I'm sure they would be fine anywhere you place them. Plus, if I move, they fold up in seconds. Number 1. SONGMICS 3-tier metal storage rack with wheels. This durable storage rack combines a robust steel frame with mesh shelves. You can use it in your entryway for shoes, in the kitchen for cooking utensils, or in your bathroom for toiletries. The X-shaped sidebars reinforce the structure and protect your items from falling. This design also adds a charming flair to your space, offering 3 key benefits. It's your choice. You can install casters to easily roll this 3-tier rack wherever you need it. Alternatively, use the adjustable feet to keep it balanced on uneven floors. The dense mesh shelves have a 0.6-inch spacing, perfect for small items. The strong steel frame provides firm support. With casters, each shelf holds up to 44 pounds. With adjustable feet, it holds up to 110 pounds. The premium packaging protects the shelving unit during transport. Inside, you'll find clear instructions and numbered parts to help you assemble it quickly. What we like? This metal rack offers a robust storage solution with its sturdy frame and mesh shelves. The X sidebars add extra stability and a unique look. You can choose between casters or adjustable feet. If you are looking for a versatile and durable storage option for any room, it's a great choice. What people say. Perfectly fits into my closet. 5 minutes needed to assemble, looks durable and nice, very lightweight but strong. At the bottom it can have either wheels or just legs. The 23.6 wide carts are perfect to fit 6 standard 11 by 11 x 11 fabric storage cubes, e.g., to hold folded pajamas and jeans, but could also be used for folded clothes or other items sans storage cubes. I use the wheels rather than the feet, and the shelves can easily roll out of the way if you need to access items nearby. This shelving unit was the easiest I have ever assembled, have assembled many over the years. The unit feels very sturdy, comes with everything you need to assemble it, and I especially like that it comes with the choice of using the wheels. 2 of the 4 have locking mechanisms, or just regular flat screw-in bases. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.